slaughter. He had the right idea. It was just in between the two guys.
It's like a fly ball dropping in a baseball game and then dalawa kayo.
Nag-aantayan kayo.
You're right. John Wilson makes it a 5-point ball game, 82-77, with 15 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Panta mo si Greg. Okay? Drop. AR. Okay, box tayo, LA. Back. Ball out. Mark, just box lang tayo. Okay? Ano tayo, ha? Early tayo. Spin down. Go. JR, pagka-spin mo, corner, ha? Corner, JR. Corner. Okay? Dito ka. Pagpasa mo. Take the three. Okay? Let's go.
Well, Coach Ato Agustin and his team in danger of absorbing their second loss. You know, unless they come up with a miracle of biblical proportions here in Ginebra with no more timeouts. Here's JRS for Trey. Got it.
Ang ganda naman ng bulot na yun ni Coach Ato Agustin.
A 3-point shot brought to you by PLDT MyDSL, the #1 home broadband. And there's a push here. A foul against Mark Kagiwa. So, wow. Remember, Ato Agustin in that timeout took out Greg, put in JRS for that specific purpose.
Mainly because maganda ang 3-point shooting ni JRS.
2-point game. John Wilson comes up short with the first free throw. Remember, Ginebra has no timeouts remaining. And even if Wilson makes the second free throw, Ginebra still has a chance with 11.8 seconds to go. Missed the second. And it will be last touch on Jared Dillon. Oh wait, we'll have a review. We'll have a review with 11 seconds remaining.
They're lucky for Ginebra because now they have some time to talk things over.
It's a free timeout.
And this is that play, John Wilson. Dillinger had the right idea to try and crash the boards.
So it will be Ginebra basketball. They're down by 2. Aguilar, Tenorio, JRS, Mark Kagiwa, and Mac Baracael. Here's LA Tenorio, 9 seconds to go. Tenorio has the ball. Ginebra down by 2. Tenorio still has it. Tenorio over to Japet. Japet fires. Got it! And that's how you jump it like it's hot. 3-point shot brought to you by PLDT MyDSL, the #1 home broadband, and that shot was for the win.
Now this is that play, Tenorio. Good defense by Anjo Karam, closing the door, and then Japet Aguilar looking at the clock, knowing how much time he has, knocking down that 3-point shot. He did it once, he does it again.
Over Reynel Hugdatan, and Reynel has been pushing him all night long.
Maybe this is the one time that if you're Hugdatan, you didn't want to push him outside the 3-point area.
Here's another look, and I know Ginebra fans can look at this like 1,000 times over and over and over, and Japet drops it like it's hot with a 3 for the win, and sending the crowd here inside the Mall of Asia Arena into jubilant euphoria. There's that 3-pointer again. Yes, sir. And fans loving it. Ginebra was down by 2, and Japet Aguilar gave them a 3 in the win.
With no timeouts left, Barangay Ginebra still finding a way to win this ball game with pretty much a buzzer beater from the three-point area by Japet Aguilar.
There's her final score. Ginebra winning over Meralco 83-82. And they wanted a miracle of biblical proportions. They got it with Japet Aguilar. 15 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 blocks.
Halos lahat ng puntos ni Japet Aguilar highlight. Dunk, and off those layups, a couple of dunks for Japet Aguilar. And the biggest shot of the ball game, that three-point shot at the buzzer for his 15th point and a 1-point victory over the Meralco Bulls.
Coming up next, Petro.